In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create nature videos with Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your browser. Once you're inside the platform, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Image. This opens the Image Generation Studio, which is where you'll create the base image for your nature video. Next, choose your model. For realistic landscape scenes, Kino XL or Phoenix are great options because they tend to handle natural environments especially well. After that, select a style preset. For this kind of project, cinematic or photorealistic works best, since both styles help create a more immersive and believable nature scene. Now set your image dimensions. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the standard widescreen format and gives your final video a more polished, cinematic look. Once that's ready, type a highly descriptive nature prompt. This is where you tell Leonardo exactly what kind of environment you want to create. The more vivid and specific your description is, the better the generated image will usually match the atmosphere you're aiming for, whether that's a misty forest, a mountain sunrise, or a peaceful lake scene. When your prompt is ready, click Generate and wait for the image to finish rendering. After the image is created, hover over it and click the Generate Video icon. This takes your still image and turns it into the starting frame for a motion-based clip. From here, you can also choose your video model, depending on the result and motion style you want, then type a simple directional camera action to guide the movement prompt. Keep this clear and focused, such as a slow zoom in, a gentle pan across the landscape, or a smooth forward movement. Simple instructions usually produce cleaner motion. Finally, click Generate again and let Leonardo create your nature video. That's the full process for turning an AI-generated landscape into a cinematic moving scene using Leonardo AI Desktop.